This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the DeathAdder Essential model and installing Razer Synapse 3. This is crucial because Synapse controls lighting profiles. Once done, plug the mouse directly into a USB port to avoid power or recognition issues and open Synapse. Next, sign into your Razer account or continue as guest. You need access to Profiles and Chroma Studio. Then locate the device tile, click it, so you can access lighting effects and start changing colors immediately. You now move into the Lighting tab to choose Chroma Studio or Simple Effects. Chroma gives per zone control while effects are faster. Select zones like logo and scroll wheel, then pick RGB values or a preset. Use layers to combine static color with breathing or wave effects. This lets you keep one color and add movement. Make sure to preview changes. If you want exact shades, input hex codes or numeric RGB. Once satisfied, save to a profile so settings persist across sessions. You finish by saving the profile and assigning it to global or an app-specific slot so colors apply when you launch programs. Then test the color. If it doesn't apply, replug the mouse and check firmware updates in Synapse. Firmware mismatches block lighting. If problems persist, reset Synapse cache, try a different USB port, and reinstall drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: log out and back into Synapse after rebooting Windows. This often forces device recognition and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.